Hello and welcome to my free WordPress blog tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to pick a theme and then kind of do some basic customizing of the theme. So we've already created an account and kind of played with the settings, did some basic stuff here, but we're going to pick a theme now. So we get into the fun stuff now. I know that you probably don't really know what a theme is. A theme is here. I'll click on View Your Site. And this is what my site looks like right now. It looks really boring because it is. Because we don't have a theme. We didn't pick one. It's just this. So, and there's nothing found because we didn't write anything. So, what you're going to do is click on themes right here. And then you're going to want to click on free because there are a lot of themes down here that cost money. So if you want to filter out all the ones that don't, just click free. And then you can click just to search like for themes that would be like go well with your topic. You can search for what your site's going to be about. Mine's going to be about blogging, so let's do that. Nope, not photo blogging. There. All right. And there are a lot of themes down here and kind of like show examples of what it would look like if you picked it. Yeah, they're all really cool. And I'm just going to pick this one because it's the one I decided that I was going to pick. And you can kind of see a little bit more about what the theme will look like. And there's going to be some videos specific for this specific theme right there. So whatever you want here. Or you can open a live demo and kind of play around and see what it would look like. I'm pretty sure that's available for all the themes. So I'm just going to go ahead and activate this design. Here we go. And then hit Customize Site. Go. And here we go. This is what my site looks like now. They kind of put in a default information. Hope's blog, the life of my cat. Okay, so click on site identity. We're going to do some little bit of customizing here. Ooh, you can select a logo. And I am going to go ahead and do that. I already uploaded this picture, but if you wanted to upload files, you would just go to upload files, select files, and find it on your desktop. So I already uploaded this file, so I'm just going to click on it and select it. And then it's going to ask me if I want to crop it, and I'll just cut out some of the stuff we don't need. Crop it. And there you go. And then here you can choose like how big you want it. Maybe I want it really big or maybe really small. I'm going to have mine be about that big. Looks good. And then title, tagline, you've already seen it. And then the nice thing about this is it changes as you're doing it, so you don't have to like go off, save changes, and go see what it looks like. It's really nice. And then there's just my icon that I already picked yesterday. All right, so then hit publish, just in case. It's always a good idea to do that every single time you go to a different tab, so that if you make another change that you don't like, that you can undo it without undoing the stuff that you don't want to undo. Hopefully that made sense. All right, feature prompt, that's something that we don't really have to worry about right now. Contact info, this is if you want like your contact information up on the top here. I'll show you. So maybe phone number or my email or something, it would show up there on the top. I don't really want that, so but you can do what you want. Style packs. These are just like different variations of the same theme, I guess. So you can pick like vintage paper or whatever. Kind of looks cool. Yeah. And then, or if you don't like any of those themes, you can pick different colors. Pick your own color. I like pink, but not that pink. I'm gonna pick my own color. like all of the stuff that I have for this cat is pink. Her leash and collar and everything. So I'm just going to find a nice pink color for the cat. That's a good. All right, I like that. And that's good. You can also pick an image in the background, but I already have a lot of images, like this logo and this images, and I think that'd be a little too much. So I'm not going to pick an image. I'm just going to leave the background color. Hit publish. Back. Fonts. So then pick a font for headings. Like different things that you want. Normal size. You know, pick how big you want it. I want it to be like normal. Maybe I think I like, ooh. Oh, that's cute. I like that. So, you know, pick whatever. And then theme font. This is a little bit more like gonna be everywhere. All right, you know what? That was good. I like that. There we go. And then you can pick huge or tiny. I'm gonna do normal because it looks nice. All right, publish. Menus. We're gonna go into menus on a different video. Widgets we're gonna go into in a different video. Oh, this is, yeah. Author bio. You don't need that on every single post. Display date, that's a good one to have on all your posts. That's kind of cool. Categories is unimportant. Tags, author, that's kind of pointless. Featured images, this is good. You want featured image. That's good. Yeah, you want those. Or you can, if you don't want to pick a featured image for each post, you can just say automatically use the first image in your post. That's kind of cool too, because then you don't have to just go and select it. You can just paste a picture right into your post, and it'll automatically use that picture as like the featured image for that post. But I like picking different images for different posts, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Hit publish. Go on my site, and then view my site. And there we go. That's what it looks like right now. Kind of boring, but we'll get into more details in the next video.